Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are unboxing our iPhone, my own iPhone 17 Pro. Guys, you guys have been asking me, why are you not online, why are you not posting? So this is the phone that I've been using for, it's not even off now. He's blind. He's not blind. No, he's okay. He's on now. You see. So this is the phone that I've been using, Samsung Galaxy A something. So the phone don't scatter. So this is the phone that I've been using. That's why I've not been online. And ta-da! This is the phone my husband got for me. Though I've unboxed it, not say my body they hurt, and I don't set and finish by myself. So this is my husband got me iPhone 15. So this is my own iPhone 15. Guys, help me and thank my husband for me. Cash and carry. Pay in full. So, and also, I've been complaining about my teeth, so I remove my teeth. So so that's why I've not been online. So now we are back and better with my iPhone 15. So I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. The camera is very clear. That is bright. So now I'll be posting back to back. I'll be posting back to back. I'm back and better. I'm back and better. So, and this is my case to protect them. I don't want year pim for this phone. I no pay. My husband no pay half. He pay in full. See the receipt, guys. See as they see body they sweet me. So guys, thank you for watching. Please share, like, and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Okay, we are back and better, and I'm about to change our channel name, maybe from next year or next month in YouTube. So Sharon and Chris. So we'll be Chris and Sharon family. Okay, guys, keep on watching. Did you like my teeth now? Did you like my new face? Don't worry, very soon I'll go and block it. I'll go and put another.
Is she ugly?
I cannot be, okay?
Please put it in the comment section.
Yes. Oh, you see these people? They won't scatter my video. Enemy of progress, because they not get iPhone. See you guys.
You know who break it?
It's you now that break this one. No, it's not you, it's me at my working place. So guys, thank you guys, but I'm going to repair this for extra space. Bye guys.
Bye.